Richland, Brock, Walworth, and Waukesha. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, eastern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin until midnight at 11:19 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over New Berlin, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, and Port Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.